Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In today's video, we are going to see placement of Sun in the sign of Capricorn in the natal horoscope. In this video, we are also going to see the transit of Sun through the sign of Capricorn in 2021. This also applies to the general transit of Sun through Capricorn that happens every year. Welcome back to Astrojyoti Healing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. To those of you who are new to astrology, this channel is about getting the best from the astrology knowledge for the day-to-day processes, solutions and issues. In today's video, we are going to see planet Sun placed in the sign of Capricorn. If you have this placement in the natal horoscope, then right from the childhood, you have already noticed that you are very careful about what type of status you have with your friends, with your siblings, or with wherever you go. And this is what is Sun about. Wherever Sun is placed in your horoscope, it becomes the bright center. And what does Sun want to talk about or discuss about or show? It's about me, myself, I. But in the sign of Capricorn, Sun becomes the bright center of social status, social dignity, law and order, public respect. If this Sun is placed in Capricorn in the first bhava, then it radiates about social status, social dignity via your physical body. It becomes the bright center of regulatory higher status. If this Sun is placed in Capricorn in your second bhava, then it becomes the bright center of regulatory wealth earning, your family values, your speech. If this Sun is placed in the sign of Capricorn in your natal horoscope, in the 10th bhava, then you talk about your work status, your position, your authority, your leadership in the society. Because Sun wants to make sure that you get full attention through this placement. Anywhere Sun is placed, it is something that cannot be hidden. If this placement is in the 8th house in Capricorn, still Sun will not be hiding. Rather, occult knowledge, research, inheritance, other people's money becomes the bright center to higher status in the society. Watch this video till end to know who are the public figures with this placement of Sun in the sign of Capricorn. Also watch what are the careers, what are the professions best suited with this placement. And don't forget to watch the last section of this video because I am going to give details about how this transit is going to be for each sign. Surya placed in the sign of Capricorn, Surya Makara tries to get the bright center of attention through the regulatory process which is attached to various institutions, various organizations, multi-ranked, severely hierarchical organizations, professions imposing regulatory, orderly behaviors, government organizations at every level, every field. People who have Sun placed in the Capricorn sign, their public behavior is usually lawful, orderly, well regulated. These people are usually have good compliance with the organization. Surya usually is a very idealized position and hence Surya Makara, Sun in Capricorn tries to idealize the perfect social dignity, the best social man. The behaviors will be considered to be the most ideal from the conventional, traditional and organizational point of view. the dignity that one will get in the life will be largely dependent on where the ruler of the sign Capricorn, Saturn, is placed in the horoscope. If Saturn is placed at a good dignity, then these people will get higher rewards. They might be delayed, they might have to work harder for that, but they are definitely going to come. And this is the time frame where Sun has Saturn placed in the same sign of Capricorn. So this is between two oppositions standing in front of each other. One is very much self-centered, related to own self, own image, and the other is trying to give certain law and order. Those of you who have been following law and order, those of you who have been always trying to follow the democracy way, they are going to get higher status during this period. Now let us see who are the famous people with the placement of Sun in the sign of Capricorn. Ronald Reagan, Shah Jahan, Virginia Woolf, Oprah Winfrey, Franklin Roosevelt, Swami Vivekananda, Benjamin Franklin, Martin Luther King, and Shakira. When we are talking about the transit of Sun through the sign of Capricorn or even the natal placement, your Sun could be placed into the nakshatra of Uttarashada, Shravana, or Dhanishta. Now looking at these three nakshatras, all are nakshatras of Surya's friends. So for Sun, placement in the Capricorn becomes comparatively easy, though people have lot of burden, lot of stress due to hierarchies. But Sun can handle that, and the success is sort of guaranteed depending on the position of Saturn in the horoscope. We looked at the list of the famous people with this placement, and from that you can conclude you could go to politics, you could be in the entertainment, you could be in the sports, you could be into matters related to religion and philosophy, you could be an activist, you could be into media and entertainment. You can choose any field depending on the placement of your 10th lord or your moon nakshatra, but you are bound to get government recognition from known organizations because you have Surya placed in the sign of Capricorn. Now let us see what will be the result of Sun's transit through Capricorn for all signs. I'm going to combine those signs with the planet rulership. Let's start with Aries and Scorpio ruled by Mars. So if you have moon in Aries, then Sun is transiting through your 10th house. That means you are going to get attention at workplace. You will have probably promotion, some raise, or at least respectful behavior from the people at work. If you have moon in Scorpio, then you will notice some of your teammates would bring lot of attention to you. You may notice one of the persons from your team can get good rewards. If you have a younger sibling, you may notice that they are doing really well professionally in this time frame. If you have moon in Taurus or moon in Libra, then for you this transit of Sun is going to happen through the 9th house. For Taurus people, you will notice some of your college professors, some of your mentors, advisors are well known. It may happen that if you are in the field of teaching, you will get some recognition from your organization or the government. If you have moon in Libra, then you will notice your theories, your ways of going up in the hierarchy, going to achieve the higher status kind of mantra is well taken. You may notice that your mother is somebody who is always given good, respectful treatment in the society. If you have moon in Gemini or moon in Virgo, then Sun is transiting through the sign of Capricorn from the 8th bhava for Gemini and 5th bhava for the Virgo people. Gemini folks are trying to find out new ways to earn money. You will notice that there is something that you may not agree or you feel it is not great in status, but take it up because eventually you're going to get good recognition for that thing. It could be just a project that you don't like or the manager you don't like, but accept that work and you will realize as time progresses, you will be recognized for the hard work that you have done. If you have moon in Virgo, then you are going to see lot of attention in terms of education, creativity, or your kids. You're going to hear some good news about higher status in those departments. Either your kid is going to do really well, or the creative project that you have been dealing with will be recognized by others. This is a great chance, work with it and enjoy the moment of glory. If you have moon in Cancer, then you will notice the party you are dealing with, your customers, your clients, or your business partner is seeking lot of attention. But remember, they might give you the tips and tricks about how to move into higher status, different group, different social hierarchy, which is definitely higher than the present. So give the attention to them and that will be beneficial to you. If you have moon in Leo, then it is your Rashi Lord, Surya, that is going through the sign of Capricorn. And for Leo moon, Capricorn is the regular 6th house. So you may notice that you will end up taking some loan, maybe for your father or maybe for your own self, where you want to deal with some complaints, some litigations, or you want to make sure that the next project you are going to deal with should go really smooth. You may notice that you are facing the competition which is really higher in status than you. But keep working and success will be yours. If you are working in the field of activism, it is a great time for you. If you are in the healthcare, this is also a great time for you with this placement. You are bound to get higher status. If you have moon in Sagittarius, you will notice you are seeing new ways of earning. You are proud of the family values that you have received from your parents. It's likely that the way you talk inspires people a lot. It is likely that you are talking in a way that people feel you are too proud. It's a good idea to tone down and respect others. If you have moon in Pisces, then Sun is transiting through your 10th house. With Saturn being in the same house, you are assured to have some gains, some visibility and good position. However, you may not be satisfied in what you are getting. But remember, this is still a higher position than what you have. If you have moon in Capricorn, then Sun is transiting over your moon. You may notice some good news from your parents. You may notice that your parents are very proud of you. You may feel like you are somebody who is in a position to govern the big organization. If you have moon in Aquarius, then Sun is transiting through your 12th house. You might notice that you are staying awake little late. You may notice that suddenly spiritual thoughts are coming in your mind. It's a great idea to take long walks and devote some time for spirituality if you have moon in Aquarius. Hope this video explains the position of Sun in the sign of Capricorn in the natal horoscope as well as via transit in 2021. The transit calculations will always apply, but the results will be dependent on the position of Saturn. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. If you want to know more about astrology, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Thank you for all the comments, likes and replies, and thank you for understanding regarding the delay in consultation or readings. Namaste. Thank you. Shubham Bhavatu.